Hey guys, happy Sunday to you. We got a new kit to look at. This is AMT's 1940 Ford Coupe 3-in-1, 1/25th scale. It is dated well, I don't see a date on the box. Here's our tires. Got two drag slicks, our stock tires, our custom tires. Here's our windshield. Here's our chrome tree with our Keystone Classics. Here's our decals, which are in very good shape, surprisingly. Here's our instructions. Here's our wheel backs. Our other wheel backs, our fenders. Here's our chassis, our exhaust, our seats. Here's our dashboard, our rear end, our engine, our interior tub, engine half. Here's our roll cage. Here's our hood, front suspension, our steelies, tow bar, battery, engine stand. Here's our other engine halves. Laying loose in the bag. Here's our radiator. Our other two steelies. And here's our body. Not too bad a shape. No real flash. Fits on there real good. There we go. Not a bad looking kit for an AMT. see if the instructions have a date on them. I like how it's like a booklet. It tells you a little history on the AMT ertl. So it looks like we can build it with a blower, 3 carbs, or a flathead V8. It's our interior. Not a lot of steps. But I don't see a date on it anywhere. Anybody in the comments, if you happen to know what year this kit is from, drop it in the comment section, because I don't see it on the box anywhere. This will be my next build. That will take me probably through December. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Smash that like button. Other than that, you guys all have a great rest of your day. Bye.